Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to explain the 10th class exercise 4.4. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So here first one is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Number 1. Number 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. First, if the real roots are exist means we need to check the discriminant value. If discriminant is positive, greater than or equal to 0 or 0, then the real roots are exist. Otherwise, suppose the discriminant is less than 0, so then there the real roots does not exist. So we could not find, we need not do not find the roots in that case. So first of all, I would like to find out the b square minus 4ac. So first note down the a value, x square coefficient, b value, x coefficient, c value is constant. So మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేద్దామంటే b square minus 4ac ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. This is discriminant. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So minus 3 whole square nothing but 9 minus 4 into 2 8. 8 5 is 40. Okay. So 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So discriminant is negative. So when the discriminant is negative, there is no real roots. There is no real roots. First you are asking the real roots exist, we need to find them. So no real roots in this, no real roots for this given quadratic equation. Next question is given, find out the second. So what is the second question? 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So here now note down the a value 3 and b value minus 4 root 3 and c value is 4. Find out the b square minus 4ac. This is discriminant. Minus 4 root 3 whole square, but this is b square minus 4ac. Okay. So minus whole square positive, 4 square value is 16, root 3 whole square is 3, minus 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48. So here for 16 3 is also 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So when the discriminant is 0, we have two equal real roots. The discriminant is 0, we have two equal roots. Therefore we have two equal real roots. So what are those two equal real roots we need to find? So here real roots are exist. When discriminant is 0, the real roots are exist. So we need to find the roots by using the quadratic formula. So here minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, substitute minus b means here minus b value minus 4 root 3. So already here minus is there, b value minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Already we have calculated na, b square minus 4 is 0, totally 0 by 2a. A value here 3. So minus into minus plus 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 means 0 by 6. So I will here I can take plus 0 first. This is first x value. So we have another x value 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. The plus or minus 0, plus 0 minus 0. So 4 root 3 plus 0 is nothing but 4 root 3 by 6. Here 4 root 3 minus 0 means 4 root 3 by 6. 2 3s, 2 2s. 2 3s, 2 2s. So x is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. Another x value 2 root 3 by 3. So 2 equal roots. When discriminant is 0, we will get 2 equal roots that are same. 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3. So these are the roots for the given quadratic equation. Now I would like to explain the third one also. The third question is given 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is third question in the first problem. So if the real roots exist, we need to find the roots. When real roots are exist means b square minus 4ac is 0, real roots are exist. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0 also roots exist. Only in the case of b square minus 4ac negative value less than 0, so we will, there is no real roots. Okay. Now here also we need to find out the b square minus 4ac. First note down ABC values. So discriminant b square minus 4ac minus 6 whole square minus 6 whole square 36. 4 2s 8, 8 3s 24. 36 minus 24 is 12. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 1 12. So b square minus 4 is 12. So discriminant value is positive. So real roots are exist. We can get distinct real roots in this case. So find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Minus b formula, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values in this formula. B square minus 4ac value is 12. B value here minus 6. Already here minus is there. Minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus root 12 by 2 into a value 2. So write down the next step. So x equal to 6 plus or minus root over 12 by 2 into, so 2a means here a value also 2. 6 plus or minus root of 4 into 3. We can write 12 as 4 into 3. 2 to the 4. So 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. So take 2 as a common. 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So we have two values for the x here, plus or minus. So one time we should take the plus value, 3 plus root 3 by 2. Another time 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, next question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. They have two equal roots. If two equal roots means here b square minus 4 is 0. Okay, these two quadratic equation have equal roots. Then find k. This is the question. First I am writing the first question. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so note down the A, B, C values. First of all, A value is x square coefficient, B value is x coefficient, and C value is constant. So since the roots are the given quadratic equation have equal roots, equal real roots, that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substitute the ABC values in that equation. A value 2, B value k, C value 3. So b square means k square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. K square is equal to 24. K is equal to plus or minus root 24. Here plus or minus, we can write 24 as a 6 4 ja, plus or minus 2 root 6. So this is in the same question, second problem. This is second problem. So kx of x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0, but it is not in the form of quadratic equation. So when we multiply kx into the bracket, it becomes quadratic equation. Kx into x, kx square, kx into minus 2, 2kx, plus 6 is equal to 0. So note down ABC values. K A equal to k, B is equal to minus 2k, and C equal to 6. So here we have two equal real roots. The given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. So we have, so given that the quadratic equation have two equal real roots, that real roots. Okay, so when the quadratic equation have two equal real roots, we have the condition that b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So here b value is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a into c. 4 into a value is k and c value is 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2k whole square is 4k square minus 4 6 is 24k is equal to 0. Here we can take 4k common. Now we have two terms in the bracket, k minus 4k, here k minus 6 is equal to 0. When product is 0, product 0 means any one of them must be 0. Either 4k 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. 4k 0 means k value 0 or k value 6. So this is the question number 2 answer. Question number 3 in the 4.4 exercise. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters squares? If so, find its length and breadth. So is it possible means we need to make first quadratic equation and find out the discriminant. If discriminant is exist, we can find the length and breadth. So first of all, make this descriptive question into the algebraic form, that is quadratic form. See here given condition, length is twice the breadth. So length is twice breadth means let breadth be x. Breadth be x. Automatically length is equal to twice of the breadth. Twice of the breadth means 2x. And also given here area, and the area of rectangle is 800 meters square. So area of rectangle formula L into breadth, length into breadth. Area of rectangle is 800 meters square is given. So here L means 2x, B means here x. So 800 is equal to 2x into x, 2x square. Write in quadratic form. 2x square minus 800. But here x term is not there. But we can write it plus 0x minus 800 is equal to 0. Note down ABC values. First of all, A value is 2, B value 0, C value minus 800. And calculate the discriminant first. B square minus 4AC is called discriminant. So find out the B square minus 4AC value. B square means here 0 square, 4AC. So 0 square means 0, minus into minus plus, 4 2 is 8, 8 8 is 6400. 0 plus 6400 means 6400. So it is a positive value. So B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So we have two distinct real roots. So as it is possible to design the rectangular mango grove. So what are the, we should find length and breadth of the given quadratic rectangle. So what is our formula here? Finding B minus B plus or minus root over B square minus 4AC by 2A. ఈ ఫార్ములా నోట్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఇది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా. సో మైనస్ బి అంటే ఇది 0 బి వాల్యూ, ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ బి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్, దట్ ఈస్ 6400 బై 2 ఇంటూ ఏ వాల్యూ ఇయర్ 2 కదా, ఏ వాల్యూ 2 కదా, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ 2 ఇయర్. రూట్ ఆఫ్ 64 వాల్యూ 8, రూట్ 64 8, 00 మీన్స్ సింగిల్ 0 అవుతుంది, అంటే 80 అవుతుంది దీని ఆన్సర్. సో 0 ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 80 బై 4. ఒకసారి ప్లస్ 8 తీసుకోవాలి, ఇంకోసారి మైనస్ 8 తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 ప్లస్ 80 బై 4 అండ్ అనదర్ ఎక్స్ 0 minus 80 by 4. So here 0 plus 80 means 80 by 4 means 20. Here x value is minus 20. But x means here breadth should not be negative. So it is no need. So x is equal to 20 meters. This is breadth of the rectangle. So మనకు breadth వచ్చింది ఎంత, 20 meters. సో లెంత్ కనుక్కుంటే లెంత్ మనం ఎలా రాసాము, దట్ ఈస్ 2x. 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ అంటే ఎంత మనకి 20. సో 40 meters అనమాట. చూడండి, ఇలా రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఇలానే చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఇలానే ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు మనకు క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తే, ఇలా క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చాక ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏబీసీ నోట్ చేసుకొని డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ నెగిటివ్ వస్తే నాట్ పాసిబుల్. డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ ఐదర్ 0 ఆర్ పాజిటివ్, ఎనీ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ వస్తే అప్పుడు మనం క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా వేస్తే మనకి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తున్నాయి. అందుకే ఇలా చెకింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ టు డిజైన్ ది రెక్టాంగిల్ గ్రోవ్ సంథింగ్ ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్లు అడిగినప్పుడు మనం ఫస్ట్ సెటప్ ది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అండ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది డిస్క్రిమినెంట్. డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ వస్తే నాట్ పాసిబుల్, పాజిటివ్ 0 వస్తే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. మనం ఇలా క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా వేసి ఈ విధంగా ఎక్స్ కనుక్కుంటే అప్పుడు దాన్ని బట్టి మనకి వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి.